Making connections. Responding with, "It's a pleasure," in English. Hello and welcome, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a popular phrase you can use when meeting someone new in English. It's a pleasure. We'll learn when and how to use this phrase, along with variations to add more depth to your English conversations. First things first, "it's a pleasure" is a short form of the phrase, "It's a pleasure to meet you." It's often used as a polite response after someone introduces themselves to you or when someone does something nice for you. It's a way to convey your happiness and appreciation. For example, if someone says, "Nice to meet you, I'm John," you can respond with, "It's a pleasure, John." It shows that you're pleased to make their acquaintance. Now, let's explore some variations of "it's a pleasure." These can make your English sound more natural and fluent. "It's a pleasure to meet you." This is the full form of "it's a pleasure," and it's more formal. You can use it in both casual and formal situations. "The pleasure is all mine." This phrase implies that you are the one who is most pleased in the encounter. It's a polite and somewhat formal way of responding. "It's a pleasure to see you again." You can use this phrase when you meet someone you've met before. "It's always a pleasure." This phrase indicates that you're always happy to see or interact with the other person. It's more common in friendly and casual situations. Now, let's practice using "it's a pleasure." Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to incorporate these phrases into your conversations and see how they can enhance your English interactions. If someone helps you find your way when you're lost, you can say, "Thank you." It's a pleasure to meet someone so kind. In a job interview, when the interviewer introduces themselves, you can say, "It's a pleasure to meet you." I've been looking forward to this conversation. If you're meeting a friend's family, you can say, "It's a pleasure to meet you all. Friend's name has told me so much about you." So, that's all about using "it's a pleasure" in English. Remember, using these phrases not only makes your English sound more natural, but it also shows your politeness and respect towards others. Keep practicing and incorporating these phrases into your conversations. Happy learning, and until next time.